Hi, I'm Paul Bechtold, RVP of Debt Elimination Platforms at Gordon Marketing, and with me today is Troy Culver, National Life Insurance Marketer with Gordon Marketing. And today we want to talk to you about stepping up your life insurance business. So Troy, maybe we'll start with some of the statistics about who has life insurance, who doesn't, how much more is needed, and so forth.
Sure.
So you could give the audience a general overview of what are the stats in America right now, what is the need for life insurance, and so forth, so we can kind of dig in and look where the opportunities are at.
They're staggering. They are absolutely staggering. 50 to 60% of the people in America have life insurance. That's it. And out of that percent, only 42% believe they don't even have enough life insurance. And that's just unbelievably staggering.
So would you say, Troy, that part of that is a lot of people rely on the life insurance they get through their employer, right?
Yeah, that's included in these statistics too. So you have that basic term policy with your work. You leave work, you lose it, you don't have anything, and you're not building any cash value or long-term wealth opportunity.
So what I hear you saying is the first thing is educating people on what's going to happen when they leave their place of employment, what other options are out there besides maybe simple term products, and basically insurance that they could outlive and they can end with no insurance anyway. Is that correct?
Yep, absolutely. I think too, for the agents watching this, is January 1st, 2024, the U.S. population was approximately 335 million, with 261 million being adults. So if you divide that into the percent with needing life insurance, that's over 240 million people don't have the right amount of life insurance or need life insurance altogether. That is a big pond for agents to be fishing out of.
Right. And so, Troy, one of the things that I like to say for an agent out there starting, and one of the things I've always noticed, okay, even when I first got into business, is that everybody that offers insurance of various kinds, homeowners, auto, whatever, they always offer life insurance. Have you ever noticed that?
They do.
And that's because why? About 100% of people need it, right? At
Correct.
some point in their life. And so there's this opportunity, I think, to really tap into an endless market out there with just a little bit of education, right? So what would you say some of the, you have some things here as far as opportunities. How do we open those doors? How do we tee those opportunities up to get in front of people and ask the question?
I think you got to start with asking the question.
Yeah.
I think too many agents out there, especially the ones in the health industry, they don't bother to take the time to ask about life insurance. So the first thing to do is actually ask people, do you have life insurance? Is it enough coverage? Fill out an intake form to see if it's a proper amount to protect them and the family.
And I think another thing that agents don't do, and they're kind of almost scared to, is to say, do you think life insurance is important?
Right.
Okay.
We were mentioning everyone offers life insurance. Well, when you drive a car and you have car insurance, you may have car insurance for a year and never even get into an accident. So you just wasted your money. But with life insurance, it's inevitable. Your life is going to come to an end.
Right. And that spins into the other thing is a lot of advisors out there don't educate their clients on the fact that there's permanent options where they can get all the money back in their own lifetime and benefit from it while they're alive. So let's talk about some of those benefits, whether it's the cash value structure, living benefits, or whatever.
So absolutely, Paul. I think that a lot of people view life insurance as something for the dead, something for their beneficiaries. It is much more than that now. There's living benefits. There's chronic, critical, and terminal that they can use while they're living. There's ability to build cash value, to even be able to borrow that money and repay yourself back, kind of become your own bank, if you will, to build not only cash, but to have the death benefit grow. And life insurance has changed so much and it's become so easy to get issued right now. It doesn't take that long anymore. And there's not a long, tedious process. Now you can get policies issued in as little as a half an hour to 1, 2, 3 days. So it's very fast, very convenient. And again, you just got to ask.
Right. So I agree, Troy, that the opportunities have never been better. The time to issue has never been shorter. The uses of life insurance while somebody's still alive are almost endless. Beyond the death benefit, there's several reasons why you would want to have life insurance to benefit from in your own lifetime versus just that day where we all get our final promotion and pass on and benefit somebody else. So Troy, if an agent wanted to get in touch with you to learn more, to maybe get better educated, to learn how to get in front of more people and sell more life insurance, how would they go about doing that?
You can reach me at tculver@gordonmarketing.com, or you can reach me at extension 10900.
Great, Troy. So, folks, if you're not asking the life insurance question, if you're not asking folks if they how important it is to them, and help them get in position to help them out, you're really missing the boat, right? You want to embed that and incorporate that into your conversations and be intentional about it. But on behalf of Troy Culver, National Life Insurance Marketer at Gord Marketing, and Paul Bechtold, RVP of Debt Elimination Platforms, we'd like to say happy selling.